Welcome to the InfoMult YouTube channel. If you want to enhance your music game in your car, consider replacing your factory car speakers with some new 6X8s. If you enjoy music, their dynamic sound quality, improved volume control, and overall elegant appearance make all the difference. It's difficult to know where to begin with so many options available. Don't worry. In this video, we have rounded up and reviewed the 7 best 6 by 8 inches car speakers which you can buy as per your preferences. The products links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 7. P1683 Punch 6x8-inch 3-way coaxial speaker by Rockford Fosgate. Rockford Fosgate is a well-known brand of vehicle speakers and other audio devices recognized for providing good music quality in a small package. The Rockford Fosgate P1683 Punch 6x8 speaker is a superb sounding option in terms of audio quality. The P1683 6 inches by 8 inches 4-ohm black speakers are sold as a pair, have a power handling rating of 65 watts RMS/130 watts max, and include mounting hardware and an OEM adapter plate. It has a PEI dome tweeter with an integrated crossover and an injection-molded mineral-filled polypropylene cone with a butyl rubber surround for high output and accurate frequency reproduction. Its flex-fit basket design employs slots rather than single screw-sized holes, allowing for modest speaker modification when aligning with OEM mounting holes for a better fit. It also guarantees that the correct frequencies are supplied to the appropriate driver for optimum sound quality and maximum protection. Number 6. 6x8-inch 2-way car audio multi-element speaker by Infinity. It is the convenient option when replacing trash factory speakers and unlocking the actual power of your sound system using multiple audiophile-grade components and a dedication to quality. It has an exclusive +1+ cone design, which allows the woofer cone's surface area to be increased by up to 25% by adjusting the mounting point of the high-roll rubber casing. An edge-driven soft dome tweeter fills in the high frequencies with a pleasant, warm tone that complements and improves the woofer's mid-range frequencies. Each speaker can take 100 watts RMS and 300 watts peak. Because of their low 3-ohm impedance, these speakers provide real 4-ohm performance, maximizing the output of underpowered factory head units. It delivers high-quality audio that will please even the most discerning ear. Because of the true 4-ohm performance, these speakers will operate just as well with a factory head unit as they will with an aftermarket one, and they will sound even better when amplified. Number 5. TS-A6880F 6x8-inch 4-way coaxial car speakers by Pioneer. The Pioneer TS-A6880F 4-way speaker is fantastic. It has the same coaxial design as the 2-way speakers, but it has twin 11mm tweeters positioned on the primary driver. This 4-way method is intended to provide a more defined greater range while also reducing the amount of wiring required for installation. They have an 88 dB sensitivity and an RMS power output of 80 watts with a peak power of 350 watts. The frequency response ranges from 34 to 34,000 Hz. The woofers are made of carbon and mica-reinforced material, which is high in both sound and durability. The surrounds are constructed of an elastic polymer, and the coaxially mounted cellulose fiber cone mid-range driver is 1 5/8 inches. Number 4. R168X2 Prime 6 by 8 inches full-range coaxial speaker by Rockford Fosgate. They have an 87 dB sensitivity and an RMS power output of 55 watts with a peak power of 110 watts. The frequency response ranges from 51 to 20,000 Hz. A silk dome tweeter with an integrated crossover is included. These speakers have a polypropylene injection molded cone and butyl rubber speaker surrounds. Their patented flex-fit technique is also used for speaker installation. In most cases, the RMS power of 55 watts should be sufficient. The trebles are clean and clear, and the sound is true. The R168X2 6 inches by 8 inches 4-ohm black speakers are sold as a pair and include integrated high-pass crossovers as well as mounting accessories. The good news is that the budget-friendly Rockford R168X2 produces the same level of quality as some of the more costly speakers in their range. Number 3. V468 6x8-inch 2-way coaxial speaker by Cerwin Vega. This coaxial 6 by 8 inches car speaker, set from Cerwin-Vega, has two-way sound and a peak power of 400 watts. It can also handle 75 watts of RMS, continuous power. The durable components, such as the mica-filled polycone tweeter and 1-foot titanium dome tweeter, will last long. The frequency range of the speakers is 55 to 20,000 Hz, so you won't miss any highs or lows. They are also one of the most powerful 6 by 8 inches car speakers, with a sensitivity rating of 94 dB. This item is also highly appealing. These fantastic 6 by 8 inches vehicle speakers feature a superior sensitivity of 94 dB and a lightweight design with a sturdy construction. Number 2. KAPPA 6-inch into 8-inch two-way car audio multi-element speaker by Infinity. These 6 by 8 inch two-way KAPPA coaxial car speakers from Infinity set a new benchmark in automotive audio. Their patented +1 woofer produces tight, strong bass as well as detailed, musical output. For high-volume listeners, edge-driven textile dome tweeters with bigger voice coils produce silky smooth highs with greater thermal power handling. With a power output of 300 watts and a weight of more than 5.5 pounds, these speakers truly scream quality, toughness, and endurance. If you enjoy the sensation of bees in your teeth, you'll enjoy the bass that these puppies can produce. Here come the shattered eardrums. While these speakers are incredible in performance as they deliver the sound quality they are supposed to, they also have convenient power handling with 100W RMS, 300W peak power, and a sensitivity of 94 dB. They also provide great sound at a frequency response of 40 Hz, 25 kHz. Number 1. 6 into 8 inch three-way car sound speaker by Pyle. These speakers produce an astounding amount of sound. With a power output of 360 watts and surround sound capabilities, you can quickly transform your wimpy sound system into a booming, bumping means machine in the least time. These speakers have a frequency response range of 70 Hz, 20 kHz, which is fairly excellent given their low price. The 1-foot ASV voice coil delivers a great, clean, and sharp sound. This automobile speaker has a 4 ohm impedance rating, which compensates for the smaller wire common in many modern vehicles. The blue poly injection cone is also visually appealing and helps your music to resound fully. Because of its 40-ounce magnet structure, this 6-inch by 8-inch car speaker can deliver up to 180 watts RMS or 360 watts peak output. A pair of 6 inches by 8 inches 180 watt speakers that carry both the high and low-end frequencies for a more complete sound. They're excellent replacements for your vehicle's factory speakers. You'll notice the difference right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.